In this pCommerce review, I'm going to be showing you a software that's going to create done-for-you peer-to-peer e-commerce stores in less than 60 seconds. And make sure you stay to the end of this review, as I'm also going to show you all the different OTOs and upgrades and how you can get a special bundle discount on the entire sales funnel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Mike Thomas. I'm a 7-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best deals in upcoming software and courses. If at any point during this review you want to check out pCommerce, just go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really does help out with my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. Last thing before we jump in here, I just want to show you my bonus page. I've got a ton of extra bonuses that you're going to be getting if you purchase this through my link. All these bonuses will be waiting for you right inside of JVZoo after you purchase through my link. Let's take a look at the sales page here together. It says Breakthrough Technology sets up done-for-you peer-to-peer e-commerce stores in less than 60 seconds. Collect payments securely and fulfill orders with a single click without having to design, create, or ship them. So this is going to create these different stores for you. It's going to have all the products that you ever need that you can actually add inside. You don't have to ever touch or ship a product or pack it up or do anything. It has free hosting, storage, and bandwidth for all your stores. You can create stores for local businesses and sell this as a service, and it includes a commercial license so that you have the rights to actually do that. Now you can see here it has some actual examples. I'm going to show you an example here in a second of an actual store. Step one is you magically create your store and connect it to the secure crypto payment processor. You choose your products, and then they say you profit. Of course, that's going to depend upon what your store is doing. Yeah, that's essentially how that works there. It says 59% of shoppers say that mobile shopping is important when deciding what to buy. So this is obviously mobile friendly. Crypto.com predicts over 1 billion crypto users by the end of 22. So you can accept crypto payments with your stores here. Purchasers with crypto to double. So it's saying here that even more people are going to start using that. If you want to set up a code on or store on your own, you'd have to learn how to code, get a merchant account, know how to find profitable products, know how to ship them, how to get traffic. But this does all of that inside of here. You could pay someone to do that for you, but it's going to cost upwards of $5,000 to get someone to actually create that for you. And now you can do it with this software. Now, if we go down here and take a look at what you're going to be getting if you purchase, there's two different options here. There's a starter, or for just like a 95 cents more, the commercial. This one gives you one store. This gives you 100 products per store. You can sell with Bitcoin and Ethereum. 3 quality store themes. You can find profitable products. You can rent online stores to local businesses. You get all these extra modules and bonuses for a one-time price. Now I'm going to go ahead and play you a quick video explaining this a little bit more. Then I'm going to come back and show you the back-end area, real store, the upgrades, and the bundle discount.
Imagine if this Christmas you could make more money than you spent, and do so by selling other people's products and collecting instant and secure P2P payments. After today, you will be able to serve an untapped market of proven, active buyers simply by building no-code e-commerce stores that even a first grader can build while watching Paw Patrol. Look, the busiest buying season of the year is coming up. Black Friday, Christmas, Boxing Day, and more. Regardless of how the economy is doing, people will spend most of their money in this quarter. And if you're smart about it and do what I'm asking you to do, you can collect what others are spending. You see, my team and I have figured out a way for you to start making good side income with a clever new approach, an approach that you can duplicate within minutes. Pay close attention. I'm about to give you the keys that will unlock a whole new secure way of doing e-commerce this holiday shopping season. Last year's Christmas season hit an all-time high of nearly $204 billion spent on e-commerce, and the number of people shopping online during the Christmas season and the spending for this Christmas season is projected to increase to $310 billion. Now, if you've ever tried to really succeed in e-commerce, you've probably been given 2 tips from the experts out there. First, you need to pay a monthly fee for Shopify. You have no choice. That is the only way you will succeed with e-commerce. That's just how it is. That's what they've told you. And secondly, you have to spend a lot of money running Facebook and Google ads to send traffic to your e-commerce stores. No one will know your store exists if you don't spend big money on traffic. Well, I'm here to tell you that there's an easier, better way that even a complete newbie to e-commerce can copy and paste. All you need is an intent to make money by selling other people's products, and no, it is not affiliate marketing. What I'm about to reveal is a secret method used by select top marketers. No one is telling you about this because they don't want you to compete with them. This market, especially right now, is profitable and it's time for you to take a piece of it. The fact is, you can now create a professional e-commerce store that accepts secure, reliable peer-to-peer payments. Let me repeat that. You can now professionally sell both digital and physical products without the fear of PayPal or Stripe banning you. Most 8-figure e-commerce store owners have moved on to their own merchant accounts to collect payments. But since you and I cannot afford that, we have found a new way to collect payments securely. This has reduced refunds and brought us a steady intake of digital currencies, also known as cryptocurrencies. I'm sure you've heard of them, Bitcoin and Ethereum, right? There's a big number of Bitcoin and Ethereum owners who are actively shopping online with their currencies. Research has indicated that as many as 4.2% of the world population actively owns and uses cryptocurrencies. That's 320 million people ready to shop with you, ready to spend their side money to buy gifts this holiday season and even after that. Studies show that these buyers are intelligent, well-educated, and above average in wealth. And today, you can offer them a way to spend their digital currencies with you using pCommerce. pCommerce helps you quickly and easily let your shoppers use digital peer-to-peer payments. That's right, your e-commerce store will be one of the extremely rare places online where people can spend their cryptocurrencies. And you'll be offering this powerful e-commerce solution right when people are doing the most shopping. This is the exact time of the year to offer a way for the 320 million crypto buyers to make their e-commerce purchases. With pCommerce, you will offer a service to a wealthy group of online shoppers, offer a payment method that is almost unheard of anywhere, which will get attention. You will get instant social traffic with the built-in traffic engine, and you will profit without having to pick up, package, or go to the post office. pCommerce is full of some powerful new tech, and it is surprisingly easy to use. With just 3 simple steps, you'll be quickly earning with your smart, secure P2P stores. Step 1. Set up your store. Simply follow the simple process to create your store, and we take care of the hosting. Step 2. Choose your products. pCommerce helps you add the most profitable, high-converting, in-demand products for your new smart, secure P2P store. In our training, we will tell you how to find these products. The best part is you don't need to pay for these products in advance, so your upfront cost is 0. And step 3 is profit. You're going to use your custom, automated and secure pCommerce store to start generating profits within minutes. You see, with pCommerce, you can create powerful, smart, secure P2P stores with just a few clicks. Put your store in front of hungry 320 million ready buyers. Create a store with the very latest tech and without learning to code. You never need to get approved for a merchant account. There's no risk of losing your money if PayPal or Stripe decide they don't like you. You can quickly find and profit from the best-selling products. You can easily deliver those products without ever having to touch them. You can create profit-driven blog posts right in your stores to connect with your customers. You can generate recurring income with banner ads for crypto exchanges. You can maximize the barely used crypto platform, and not to mention, you could also create and rent crypto stores for local businesses. Experts say that holiday e-commerce sales in 2022 will be even higher than last year when much of the world still couldn't go out and shop. People like the idea of doing their Christmas shopping online now, and they are doing it even earlier than before. The holiday season used to start with Black Friday in late November, but industry experts have noticed a trend over the last few years. More and more people are shopping online in early November, and that's just a couple of weeks from now. We will help you get your slice of that Christmas profits pie. And since the digital currency market is severely underserved, you'll pretty much have that pie all to yourself. Now you're probably thinking, Neil, you seem like a nice guy, but what's the catch here? Maybe you're asking yourself how you are going to be able to afford a program that does all of this. You may wonder what the monthly fees could be, or maybe I'm going to be asking you to pay a percentage of every sale to me. Well, I'm happy to tell you that there's no monthly fee and I will not take any of your hard-earned profits. I promise. We have, however, worked hard to get you a great introductory price that gets you the complete pCommerce app and allows us to just about cover our costs. At this price, it is a real win-win-win situation. You, me, and those shoppers looking for a way to securely buy for their loved ones this Christmas season. And as usual, everything on this page is backed up with our rock-solid money-back guarantee, so you can buy feeling secure in your purchase. So if you're ready to be an action taker, like I think you are, then click below and join the pCommerce team and win big this holiday season. You cannot go wrong selling to 320 million hungry, smart buyers looking for that perfect gift that you can have in your smart, secure stores. Click the button below and pick up your license of pCommerce before the price goes up.
Okay, so we are back. So this is an actual store created with the software here. You can see they have monetization on this side right here, a way for people to subscribe to a newsletter, all the extra links that you need for your website, all included inside of here. You can actually look at some of the different products here that you can put on here, and the way that it's priced here. People can add to their cart and make payments right on the website. Now, this is the backend area where you can manage your store, manage your orders, your payment gateway. You have your tutorials all included in here. Now, there are multiple OTOs. So the first one here is an unlimited version of this. You can create unlimited stores with unlimited products on your stores. You can unlock 5 additional templates and unlock all future updates with this upgrade right here. And this one is $197 for this. The next one here, it says that you can get a done-for-you business upgrade, done-for-you business website, add feature samples of your products and services, custom PayPal integration, autoresponder integration, WhatsApp chat, all these extra things here. This upgrade right here is $57. The next one here is you can get your own brand. You can get the white label and actually sell this like it's your own product. This one is $247 for the white label license. And the last one is going to give you the insider access to ads, funnels, and emails here with this one. So you can actually go and research and collect all the store data for profitable ads to get traffic to your stores. And this one is $97. Now, if you don't want to go through the sales funnel, I'll have a link right here on my bonus page for the bundle discount. That will take you over to this page right here where you can get everything. You get the commercial license, you can get the unlimited, you can get the business license, the white label, and the meat done of the ad search generator, all included with this for $267 here for all of that. So it's up to you how you want to do that. Go through the sales funnel if you want, or get the bundle discount. Okay, so what do I like about pCommerce and what don't I like about it? If I just say something that I don't like about this, just because you create a store doesn't mean you're automatically going to start making money with it. So just be aware of that. If you create a store, it's just a software. It's not some magic money-making machine. What do I like about this? This is a software that will help you create stores. If you've been looking to do that, you don't want to pay for hosting, you don't want to deliver products yourself, then check this out. Thank you so much for checking out my review today. If you want to take a look at pCommerce, go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out with my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again in my next review video. Thanks.